Today we are going to discuss about the living things and non-living things. Living things will be identified by having the characteristic features. What are the characteristic features does a living things have? A living thing will take food and remove the waste materials, and a living thing will respire, and a living thing will grow, and a living thing will respond to the stimuli, and they reproduce to the young ones, and they have a life cycle. But a non-living thing doesn't take any food and doesn't remove waste material. It doesn't respire, it doesn't grow, it doesn't respond to the stimuli, it doesn't reproduce to the young one. They don't have any definite life cycle. Whatever we see in our environmental is either a living or a non-living things. Living things will breathe oxygen to break down food we eat, to produce energy during respirational process. Living things use this energy to move, to grow, and to perform other activities. All the living organisms, including the microbial organisms, will also respire. But a non-living thing doesn't respire. Now coming to the Autotrophs and Heterotrophs. We the human beings prepare food from rice. But who can prepare rice? Green plants. Green plants make their own food material during the process called photosynthesis. Hence they are called autotrophs. And all the animals which depend on plant directly or indirectly are called heterotrophs. All living organisms will take food. Only a part will be utilized by our body. Rest remain as a waste. Several processes that take place in our body, such as respiration, digestion, excretion, each process will produce some waste. These wastes are very toxic to our body, so they should be removed from our body. Animals remove these wastes through urine, sweat. Carbon dioxide is also a waste product which animals excrete. Living things remove these waste material by the process called excretion, but a non-living thing doesn't. Plants exchange gases through stomata. Living organisms respond to stimuli, and they produce their young ones. A roper may look like human being, but they cannot reproduce. Single cellular organisms grow in size, multicellular organisms grow in number. Non-living cells cannot grow like human being. A living being will have limited lifespan.